We've done 1 billion organic views ourselves. We have a formula that can be replicated again and again and again. If people are choosing to not use short form content, they are actively deciding to not be a part of the conversation. It's happening with or without you.
She is going to give you the courage to do the thing that you don't want to do.
She can give you some things that are going to make your content a whole lot stronger.
She presented it in a way where I got it. Just fantastic.
Great information, things that I didn't even know. I learned a lot.
She's going to help you grow your business. I highly recommend Hilary Billings.
Miss Nevada, our favorite Miss Nevada of all time.
I need to make sure that you are aware of what's about to happen right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I need you to put your hands together for the one, the only Miss Hilary Billings!
There is a formula for getting someone's attention. You were asked to focus on the SEO, you're asked to do the mailers, you're asked to build your brands, your personal brands, and grow your audience and your following. And you can do all that, and you can do it in the way that everyone else is doing that. But my question is, how effective is it for you now? I'm Hilary Billings, the CEO and co-founder of Attentioneers, and I understand digital media because I've been in it my whole life.
We are. How did you know that? How do you know about this?
Well, you know a lot, don't you? You know way too much.
She's good.
Hey guys, it's Hilary Billings. We are here on the Orange Carbs and we are on our way out to the campground, to the ground.
God damn, you can sing too. Look at you.
You're here to say there's room for all of us.
In the noisy world of digital media, where 20 million new videos are being posted every day, standing out is tougher than ever. Countless business owners and personal brands grapple with the challenge of grabbing attention in mere seconds, often missing the mark. You spend all this time trying to make content when it's not even your full-time job, only to try challenges and trends that you don't even want to be doing, and then you end up getting no views. It's demoralizing. If you're putting money behind ads, the average consumer is seeing between 10,000 and 20,000 ads per day. We can't approach content the way that we used to. Gone are the days where we can expect someone to pay attention to us just because. You guys are also in a downturn market. People aren't calling. Attention isn't deserved, it's earned. Working for USA Today, producing for E! News, I thought I really understood what it meant to make great content and how to capture attention. When I ended up stumbling into this world, I realized I had no idea what I was doing. After many months of struggling, it really took some time to do deep dive research into what make great videos. Going viral isn't luck, it's all science. And we have developed a 4-part system how to transform your approach to creating videos to not only attract, but also truly captivate and engage your audience. We teach you both the art and science of creating short-form videos that your audience cares about and you won't cringe at. We've used this exact system to garner over 1 billion organic views and help our clients 250x their results. They are desperately in need of what you have to say. I challenge you to make content worth raving about.
Hilary is an adamant and just perfect professional.
Hilary helped out so much.
She has absolutely made this event much easier for us.
I see where the power of short-form content can make a difference.
You got to lean on and look to the best.
She knows her stuff.
If you have a business where getting the attention of your customers matters, where building trust in the digital age matters, you need to learn the psychology of attention. This is the perfect time to be focusing on getting the attention so that when they're ready to buy, when they're ready to sell, you are the person that's top of mind. There is a formula for getting people's attention. And once you have it, anything is possible.